Students, in this video, we will start chapter 18 construction. In this chapter, we will do the construction of different angles, perpendicular bisectors, parallel lines and different types of coordinator. So students, let's start exercise 18a. Question number 3 is draw a line segment BC is equal to 4 centimeter. Construct angle ABC is equal to 60 degree. So in this, first of all, we will draw a line segment BC that is 4 centimeter. So we will draw this with the help of scale and pencil. See, BC 4 centimeter. So here we will write B and here C, here 4 centimeter. So on this line we have to construct angle ABC. Angle ABC is written, it means on B vertex we have to construct 60 degree. So see how we will construct angle 60 degree, this vertex. So first of all we will draw this arc of any length in this way. So with the same measure we will construct arc from this point on this arc in this way. So this one arc is of 60 degrees. So we will draw a line from here which cross this point, this intersection point. So students, this. So this angle is 60 degree. Here we will write 60 degree. So ABC is written. So here we can write A. So angle ABC is equal to 60 degree. So this we have to write on here. Angle ABC is equal to 60 degree is the required angle. So in this way we will write this. I hope you understood this. Next, fourth one. Construct angle ABC is equal to 45 degree, in which BC is equal to 5 centimeter and AB is equal to 4.6 centimeter. So student, first of all we will draw a line segment BC which is 5 centimeter. So see here, this one B and this one C, 5 centimeter. Now on B vertex we will draw angle of 45 degree. So you can see this how we will draw. One arc we will cut in this way. With the help of same measure we will cut this arc. This angle, this arc is of how many degree? 60 degree. So one more 60 degree. 60, 120 degree. But we have to construct 45 degree. So for 45 degree, first we will construct of 90 degree. So 60, after 60 how much we need? 30 degree. So from here to here 60. If we will do half of this, what we will get? 30 degree. So 60 this and 30 this. So we will get 60 plus 30, 90 degree in this way. So now we will do the half of this much portion. So one arc from here, from this intersection point in this way, and from here also this intersection point. So see, with the help of dashed line we will draw this in this way. This angle is of 90 degree. Now we will bisect this 90 degree portion because we need 45 degree. 45 is the half of 90. So we will bisect this. So one arc from here in this way and one arc from this portion. In this way. If we have to bisect two part, means one part, so we have to cut arc from both the end point. So we have to bisect 90 degree, here to here is 90 degree. So one end point is this and other end point is this. So we have cut both the arc from one arc from here, one arc from here. So we will join the line. This. In this way. So this angle is of 45 degree. So what is the name? Say, see here AB is written 4.6. So AB will be this. So we will measure the radius of 4.6 centimeter with the help of scale and compass. So 4.6. This measure is 4.6. So here we will cut arc of 4.6 centimeter. So this intersection point is A. So on lining page we will write, therefore angle ABC is equal to 45 degree is the required angle. So this was about the question number 3 and 4. Now students, question number 5. Construct angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. So we have to construct an angle of ABC. No measure is given. So we can draw a line of any length. So first of all, we will draw a line segment of any length. In this, there is no need to draw the line of any measure. So we can write this name BC. What is the name of angle? Angle ABC. So means angle on B vertex, that is 90 degree. So as we have drawn in the previous question 90 degree angle, in the same way we will draw 90 degree angle. So you can see once again. See, one arc from here to here in this way. One arc from here 60 degree. One more 60 degree. This angle is 120 degree. So after 60 we need 30 degree. So from here to here 60. If we will do the half of this, what we will get? 30. So 60 plus 30, 90. So we will do this. So we will join this in this way. So students, this angle is 90 degree. So we will not draw the line in dashed way. We will draw a line in this way. ABC. So this angle ABC. This one is 90 degree. So students, we have to draw after this. Draw BP, the bisector of angle ABC. BP we have to draw. Bisector of angle ABC means this BP. This bisector. So bisector means half of any portion. So from here to here half. So one arc from here in this way. One arc from here in this way. So we will join this of any length. So here BP. After this, see what is written. State the measure of angle PBC. So we have to measure this angle. This is the bisector. So it must come 45 degree. Bisector half of 90, 45, 45. So it must come 45 degree. So see, with the help of protractor, we will measure angle BPC. In this way, after covering this. Yes students, it is coming 45 degree. This angle also, this portion 45 degree. So total 90 degree. So see what we will write on the lining page. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to 90 degree is the required angle. So it is asked in the question, measure of angle PBC. So angle PBC is equal to 45 degree. So students, it was about the exercise 18